Yes, guys, many of them are waiting for my video lecture. So, welcome to our banking CA. Before going to the apps and portals and some of the confusing numbers, in August first week, we will discuss some of the confusing names. If you do not want this content, please skip. Raju Maharishi is the ex-Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The present Comptroller and Auditor General of India is Girish Chandra Murmu. He is the former and first Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Raju Sabharwal is the CEO of Tata Capital. One more confusing set. Naveen Patnaik is the Odisha Chief Minister and the Governor of Odisha is Ganesh Lal. One more, Naveen Agarwal is the MD for Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company. Let us discuss apps and portals recently in news. Google launched Nearby Share app for file sharing both online and offline mode. Google is also in news for tying with Maharashtra for learning tools for schools. The present Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray, and answer in the comment box who is the Governor of Maharashtra. And one more indigenous app, Dodo Drop, launched by 17-year Ashfaq Mohammad Chowdhury from Jammu Kashmir, and this app will replace the Chinese apps such as Share It. One more app launched by Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu for online education is E-Gyan Mitra. And the present Dadra Nagar Haveli Daman Diu administrator is Praful Patel. Indian Railways also launched an app called OHE Inspection App. This is to know the delay of trains due to technical snacks. The present Railway Minister is Piyush Goyal. Answer in the comment box who is the Piyush Goyal belongs to which Rajya Sabha. And one more, Odisha launched a Agnishama Seva portal for issuance of fire safety certificates for different category of buildings. Central Pollution Control Board launched a app COVID-19 BWM. And these are the numbers which are most confusing and asked in your examination. If you got a job and your friend missed by a whisker, that 0.25 mark or 0.5 mark difference is due to not attempting these type of bits. So please careful friends. Global remittance is dropped by $108.6 billion is told by Asia Development Bank. The Asia Development Bank president is Masatsugu Asakawa and the former president is Takehiko Nakawa. If I am wrong, please forgive me. And the headquarter of ADB is Philippines. And Hiroshima Day celebrated on August 6th, 75th anniversary. And Hiroshima belongs to Japan. There is also Hiroshima Peace Memorial, and it is also dubbed as Atomic Bomb Dome, which is in Japan, is also a UNESCO World Heritage Cultural Site. At present, there are 38 cultural heritage sites in India, out of which 30 are from natural heritage sites, 7 are from cultural, and 1 is from mixed. Sorry, 30 are from cultural, 7 are from natural, 1 is from mixed. And the latest UNESCO heritage site is Jaipur, the Pink City. And in 20th New York Film Festival, the Indian movie Motan has got an award. Motan is a Malayalam film. Malayalam is the classical language of Kerala. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, by the year 2021, there will be a 23.8 million students drop out from education. India is giving $18 million to Maldives for the expansion of fishing facilities. And the president of Maldives is Ibrahim Mohammed Soleh. And the capital of Maldives is Malé. And what is the currency of Maldives? Answer in the comment box. And one more, Asian Development Bank tied with Reliance for $200 million for a power plant in Bangladesh. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina, capital is Dhaka, currency is Taka. And Tata Capital Growth and Biocontrol Biologics tied for $300 million to improve the medicinal industry. And the Biocontrol Biologics MD and CEO is Kiran Majumdar Shah, and Tata Capital CEO is Sabharwal. What is Sabharwal? Raju Sabharwal. I already discussed in the starting video, right? And the Petrol Ministry has kept a target to sell petrol and diesel for minimum net worth of 500 crores. Then only the Petroleum Ministry will give a license for both retailing and bulk selling or buying. Whereas if there is a at least net worth of 250 crores, they should either sell retail or bulk petrol and diesel. The present Petroleum Ministry is Dharmendra Pradhan, and his Rajya Sabha constituency is Madhya Pradesh, and he is also the Minister of Portfolio for Minister of Natural Gas, Minister of Steel. And 150th anniversary of Abanindra Tagore is the nephew of Dr. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. And first anniversary of Jammu Kashmir is on August 5th. Not only Jammu Kashmir and also Ladakh. The Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir is Manoj Sinha, is the second Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir. The first Lieutenant Governor is Girish Chandra Murmu, whereas Ladakh Lieutenant Governor is R.K. Madhur, Radhakrishna Madhur. And Ajay Tyagi, SEBI Chairman, got an 18-month extension up to February 28, 2022. India and UN Development Partnership Fund gave $15.46 million fund. UN Secretary General is he is from Portugal, Antonio Guterres, and the present Portugal Prime Minister is Antonio Costa. And that's today, friends. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and be safe at home and stay prepared. Okay, all the best for your examination. Thank you.